So this is Hiking Estonian, hiking in Estonia. Welcome. I'm at one of my favorite places of all Estonia because it's just so wild. You cannot see a house even if you would like to, and I'm not wanting to see any house. You can really walk for hours without seeing any farmlands or houses, which is quite rare in Estonia. Mostly there are some houses at some point. Yeah, so welcome to Kõrvemaa. I literally only have one question, like, what is this? When I checked the video that I just filmed, I realized that some bugs have already found me. I don't know, maybe I'm so used to them that I don't even recognize when they kind of attack me. But yeah, let's get the weekend going. We got here quite early, so we got the best camping site ever, and it's all ours, and our friends are coming a little bit later, other people, and yeah, we just enjoy. So that's our campsite. It's pretty typical for Estonian campsite, the RMK place, forest management, something of our country. Usually we have this kind of chilling places, and then somewhere where you can chop the wood and yeah, some wood is there mostly. Here we have quite special fireplace. It's pretty epic, and of course there is somewhere a pit toilet also. And the star of the day, of course, is the lake, which is just here. And now we can see the different kinds of setups that people have for their accommodation in the forest. juba ragises. I tell you a story. To fully understand what is Estonian weather, not possible. Unless you have lived in Estonia, at least for a few years. That's Estonian weather. If you go hiking, or if you even go outside for a short time, you need the care for like 4 seasons, and I'm not joking. The winter is the easiest because then you don't need the care for summer mostly. But when it's summer, you need everything, because most probably it will be raining, and next minute it will be super hot, and next minute it will be super cold, and next minute it's like super humid, and so on. So yeah, it's like 1 hour ago it was super hot, and now that's our reality. Like, yeah, I guess welcome to Estonia. What can I say? Quick update. You know, this time was one of the only times in my life when I have packed my bag. Actually, before coming here the previous night, I was so ready. So what happened? You see another bag here, but okay. I have bigger problems now. So what happened was that I actually forgot my main food bag. I have like some snacks and stuff for salad, but I don't have my main food bag, like the one that's actually feeding me. So my only hope is that my friends help me out. But otherwise, even I went to the shop yesterday to do really good shopping. And I forgot all this food home. Others, they have already left, but I don't know how I can leave this tower. Just look at this, and as you know, in real life it's like a million times better. I have like this goosebumps at the moment because the sunsets in the bogs in Estonia, they are pretty special. As you can see, I'm out of words, and wow. I was just up there and just looking at it basically. Like I just don't know how to move on from all this. Like when I look there behind me, all the silence and all the colors, and it's just so overwhelming. And it's crazy that after all this time traveling and hiking and exploring and learning and doing all these things, something that actually leaves me speechless is the very same view here. The very same view of the bog, Estonian nature. It's just you just cannot get enough of it. It's like I don't know. It's just what yeah. I have no words. Just come and spend some time in Estonian bogs. They're pretty epic. We just had a hike with my friends. Oh, sorry, a bit difficult. But we just had a hike, which was like, I don't know, 3 hours, I guess. Just very simple, walking on this kind of wooden path in the bog, and then we made a small circle around one of the lakes, and then we came back the same way. And yeah, as I think I already said, everybody left the place. They just said that they want to get back and make fire and eat, and I'm just like, how can I leave this place? I don't know. I have this crazy nature moment at the moment, and I don't know. Like, I think it's the silence. It's the place. Like, I've been in this place several times in my life, at different kinds of occasions. I have all these memories already from very long time ago and from some time ago, and I'm just so happy to be in the nature and overall in Estonian nature, and I'm happy to be here with my friends and all of these things, and I'm just happy to camp next to such a great swamp or bog. It's so close to our campsite that we can just walk here and be in this bog like in 2 minutes, literally. Like, wow. So as you can see, today has had a lot of different colors. First I came here and it was very warm weather, and then it was like a little bit colder. It was rainy. I was waiting the rain to end. Then later, now we are in the swamp, just enjoying this amazing sunset. I don't know, it really might be one of my favorite moments during the summer up to now. It just has everything in it for me. I think I will come back tomorrow evening and I will enjoy this sunset again and everything. And I think it's even more special that before there was this bad weather with thunderstorms and rain, and then for the time of our hike the weather cleared up, and now it's just perfect. Yeah. Whew. I just enjoy my walk back, and yeah, Estonian folks, visit them.